Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can you eat dry oatmeal in oatmeal energy balls? Rolled oats are perfectly fine to eat raw, especially when combined with other ingredients. Allowing the mixture to sit before forming into balls, they will soften and be easier to eat. Besides, the uncooked dry oats provide an even chewier texture.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Energy balls are pretty much the perfect snack. Energy balls have a satiating combination of protein, good carbs, healthy fats, and high in fiber. Also, energy balls are portable, so they are the perfect healthy on-the-go snack before or after your workout.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Though raw oats are safe to eat, it's recommended to soak them in water, juice, milk, or a non-dairy milk alternative to avoid some unwanted side effects. Eating dry raw oats could lead them to build up in your stomach or intestines, resulting in indigestion or constipation.
Take our lead.
More processed varieties of oats like rolled oats and instant oats have been pre-steamed and heated to destroy potentially harmful pathogens, making them safe to eat raw, according to the University of Wisconsin-Madison. But cooking or soaking your oats overnight may yield a tastier morning meal.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.